Yeah, what's Python?
Python is a programming language. It's a language that the computer understands. It's open source, very dynamic, simple, and focuses a lot on productivity.
Awesome. So let's see how to get started in Python. I actually have a terminal out here, and if I just type Python, I should get a result like that. And it will change to a prompt that kind of looks like these symbols here. And yeah, let's have a go at our fast program, which is
Um, Something like Hello World.
yeah. So we start off with the hello world, and to do anything in Python, we have to actually start using commands. So let's use the print command to type hello world. So take note of the word print, followed by an open quotation mark, then whatever you want output to the screen, and a closing quote. And if you press enter, you will see something printed out.
What if I want a number, not necessarily words?
Well, that can work also. Let's say we can print numbers like 1, we can print an age, and yeah, I think that's the first look at our first program. There are more lecture notes talking about this at the bottom of this video. Thank you.